Knowledge 15. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on some people who traveled to a foreign country and broke a law which they were unaware of during their trip. It is important to understand that the famous statement, "Ignorance is bliss," is not true, especially in respect to religious affairs and the hereafter. Unfortunately, some Muslims believe, just because they do not know an Islamic rule, they are exempt from obeying it, and Allah, the Exalted, will not hold them accountable for it. This is one of the worst types of ignorance, as Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that there are no excuses and Muslims must learn and act on the teachings of Islam. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared this to be a duty on all Muslims in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 224. It is a trap of the devil to believe ignorance is an acceptable excuse, and one does not need to gain knowledge about Islam. If a government does not accept this excuse, how can one expect Allah, the Exalted, to? Just like a person who takes on a responsibility is expected to know the rules attached to it, such as being a licensed driver, the one who accepts Islam as their religion is responsible for learning the rules linked to it. Therefore, Muslims must avoid ignorance, as it will not benefit them in this world, and it will certainly not aid them in the hereafter. Chapter 6 Al-An'am, verse 149.
Say, Allah has the most conclusive argument.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.